I've got a super sweet sentimental DIY for you today. All you need is textured scrapbook paper, some ink or paint, a couple thrifted frames, and the hands of a small child. I bought all the paper that the craft store had in this color. They only had 4 pages because I'm terrified of messing up, but I think we can do it. I think we can pull it off. And for ink, I grabbed Distressed Archival ink because it has some great neutrals. Okay. If I was smart, I would have gotten a giant pad and a roller, but we're gonna work with what we have today. Oh, I need baby wipes too. I require a child.
Which one?
Any, your finest.
Who's my finest child?
All right, so we're gonna stamp your hand. Open up. Nice. We're gonna do a practice run and then we'll do it for real, okay? I want you to put your hand like this. Don't move it. Mama's gonna press down your fingers a little bit and then you're gonna raise it straight up, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, relax a little bit. Don't go like this, go like that. Yeah.
Perfect.
Straight up. Look at that. All right, that was good practice. Let's do it for real.
Oh, do I have to open myself?
Let me help you with this one. I only have a few pages. Our paper is bigger than our frames, so we're gonna aim for right in the middle, okay? And then I'm gonna trim the paper down. Perfect. Straight up. Nice, look at that. Nice, perfect. Ready? Straight up. Oh, that's awesome. Let's get one just like that. We'll do it for real, but let's put some more ink on first. Okay, ready?
That's too low.
Hold up, babe.
I got the
Oh, nice. That is so good. Great job, guys. First try. Let me get your hand clean. We're going to pop the glass out of our frames and use it as a guide for how much to cut down our pages.
You can absolutely use paint instead of ink, but I love the detail that the ink shows. As for paper, I think something with a slight texture gives a more elevated look, but it's really up to you and what you think looks good in your space. I love how these turned out. I wanted something sweet and sentimental, but also something minimal and timeless that could blend with my decor, and I think we absolutely achieved that. This DIY is brought to you by the Worcester Run magazine. Subscribe for more thrifted and vintage home inspiration.